here at the State Fair of Texas here in Dallas. We're gonna do a fan favorite called Eat Crispies and chow down on some fried foods. Let's go. We have none other than Michelle, partner of Eat Crispies and one of the main creators of this wonderful food here at the Dallas State Fair. What would you say is like the most cool thing while running a booth like this?
Try Snickers on a daily basis. That's one of our most popular items.
Every day?
Every day.
How many of these have you gone through?
Probably 200,000.
Over the past 7+ years.
Yeah.
200,000 Snicker bars, people. That's a lot of Snickers.
Here's the fried Oreos and the fried Snickers.
Not only does Eat Crispies have delicious, flavorful, tasty, juicy fried food, but they also have this beautiful guy right here. He's gonna help me eat and drink. Say hi, Anthony. What up? Sweet and smushy.
Gooey, chocolate volcanoes in your mouth. You got a little,
saving it for later. Right here in front of my face, in my mouth, is the fried chicken skin. And you can't say it's crunchy and delightful if it doesn't make that cracking sound, right? The crackle. And these chicken skins have a lot of crackle to it. It's the synchronicity of when you bite, taste the food, and hear the sound. I don't know what's more American than that. As always, guys, thank you so very much for watching our video. Big shout out to Michelle and the entire Eat Crispies team for giving me such delicious fried food.
Thank you, JR, for stopping by our booth. Please like the nomsss on Facebook.
And we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Noms.
you do the eye roll, oh my gosh, that means you know it's good.